Hello, game devs. Today we will create a top-down character controller in Godot 4. Let's create a new scene and add the character body 2D node as the root node. I will rename it player character. Now we need to add the collision shape 2D node to the player character. It is a required node for the character body 2D node. Let's add a character sprite first. We can do that by dragging the player sprite to the scene. It will create a new sprite 2D node. Don't forget to save the scene. Hit Ctrl S and save it. I will name it player character. Now, let's create a collision shape for our player. I am using text-to-speech because I currently don't have a mic and it's too noisy here. Now, it's time to add a script to our player character. We are inheriting from the character body 2D class to use its methods. We will export the player speed so we can edit it in the inspector. Notice that the export syntax is different from Godot 3. The process method is from the Godot engine. It is called everyFrame. We will use it to get the player input and update the player location every frame. Now, we will store the player input in the vector2 name direction. We are subtracting the right input from the left input, so if you press A then the left input will be 1 and right input will be 0, but if you press both A and D then it will be 0 and player won't move. We will do the same on the y-axis, but since Godot's y-axis is upside down, we will subtract the up input from the down input. To use the getActionStrength method we need to set input map.
I will create 4 actions, left, right, up, and down.
Now, I will map the WASD keys to the actions, might as well map the arrow keys. The velocity property is from the character body 2D class. We will multiply the direction with the player input. In Godot 4, the move and slide method does not require any arguments. It uses the velocity property. Let's drag the player character scene to the main scene and test it. I think the player is moving faster diagonally. To solve it, we need to normalize the direction vector. There, a perfect character controller, maybe. Hit like if you like, and comment the suggestions, like buy a mic or something.